Designing sellable, modern shoe racks from reclaimed wood and industrial metal scraps offers a brilliant avenue for craftsmanship that marries sustainability with contemporary design. This transformative process not only highlights the beauty inherent in reclaimed materials, but also serves as a testament to environmental responsibility in furniture creation. The journey begins with the careful selection of reclaimed wood, which can be sourced from various settings such as old barns, deconstructed buildings, or even discarded pallets. Each piece of wood carries its own history, often revealing the character and texture developed over years of exposure to the elements. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. By choosing reclaimed wood, artisans embrace a narrative that emphasizes reuse and resourcefulness, effectively reducing reliance on new timber and thus mitigating deforestation. The appeal of reclaimed wood lies in its unique grains, colors, and imperfections, elements that add character and charm to any piece. In choosing materials, artisans often rely on local suppliers or salvage yards to find high-quality reclaimed options that suit their design vision. This not only supports local economies, but also fosters a sense of community centered around sustainable practices. Once the wood is selected, artisans must clean and prepare it for transformation into a functional piece. The cleaning process is crucial, as reclaimed wood can harbor dust, dirt, and old finishes that may impair the integrity of the new design. Artisans typically employ brushes, sanders, and scrapers to meticulously remove old paint, finishes, and any harmful residues while preserving the natural character of the wood. During this stage, artisans also assess the wood for any signs of damage or rot, removing compromised sections to ensure the finished product is both beautiful and durable. Additionally, the cleaning process often reveals details that might have been hidden, such as unique knots or markings that can inspire the final design. Once cleaned, the wood is often treated to protect it from pests or moisture, ensuring that it can withstand the test of time even as it showcases its vintage beauty in modern settings. In parallel to the selection and preparation of wood, sourcing industrial metal scraps provides an intriguing contrast to the organic forms of the reclaimed wood. These metal elements can come from a variety of sources: old furniture, discarded appliances, or even manufacturing waste, each contributing to the aesthetic complexity of the shoe rack. The choice of metal type, such as steel, iron, or aluminum, can significantly influence both the functionality and visual appeal of the final design. For instance, metal components may serve as structural supports or decorative accents, enhancing the overall silhouette of the shoe rack. Anticipating the interplay between the raw, natural look of the wood and the sleek, industrial edge of the metal is an essential consideration during the design phase. As artisans envision their shoe racks, they often sketch multiple concepts, experimenting with different designs that integrate the two materials in a balanced and harmonious way. The actual construction of the shoe rack is where creativity meets craftsmanship. Artisans begin by determining the overall dimensions based on the intended use, ensuring that it accommodates various types of footwear while fitting seamlessly into modern interiors. The design may include multiple tiers or compartments, cleverly utilizing space while showcasing the aesthetics of both wood and metal. Here, precise joinery becomes crucial. The connections between wood sections and the integration of metal components must be robust enough to withstand the weight of shoes while maintaining an elegant appearance. Traditional joinery methods such as dovetails, mortise and tenon joins, or even dowel joints may be used to create strong connections between the wooden parts, while metal scraps can be welded or bolted into place, depending on their dimensions and design requirements. Creating the structure using reclaimed wood allows for an emphasis on showcasing the natural characteristics of the material. Artisans often choose to retain the original finish of the wood or apply a light stain that enhances the existing colors without overshadowing its historical essence. The goal is to create a piece that feels both modern and timeless, allowing the shoe rack to fit seamlessly into a variety of settings from industrial-style lofts to cozy contemporary homes. When it comes to integrating the metal elements, artisans can explore various techniques, including bending and framing, which help establish a visual dialogue between the organic warmth of the wood and the cool, sleek lines of the metal. Integrating decorative features such as coat hooks or shoe compartments crafted from metal scraps can further add functionality, transforming each shoe rack into a multi-purpose piece that appeals to modern consumers' desires for practicality combined with style. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. The finishing touches play a significant role in elevating the shoe rack from a functional item to a work of art. Sanding down rough edges and surfaces ensures that every part of the rack is smooth and user-friendly while preserving the character of the reclaimed wood and the raw allure of the metal. After careful sanding, artisans may choose to apply a finish that protects the wood and highlights its grain, often opting for natural oils or environmentally friendly stains. These finishes give the wood longevity while enhancing its visual appeal, allowing the natural beauty to shine through. The metal components can also undergo finishing through processes like powder coating or spray painting to ensure they are coated adequately while providing a striking contrast to the wood. Choosing finishes wisely can excite and inspire customers, who are increasingly inclined to purchase pieces that reflect both quality craftsmanship and aesthetic value. Once the shoe racks are completed, artisans must consider their market appeal and potential avenues for sales. Understanding the target audience is critical here. Consumers are increasingly drawn to unique, handcrafted items that resonate with their values of sustainability and style. Effectively communicating the story behind the materials, the craftsmanship involved, and the design process can elevate the product in the eyes of the consumer. Artisans can leverage various platforms, such as online marketplaces, social media, and local craft fairs, to connect with potential buyers. Showcasing the shoe racks through high-quality photography that highlights their natural textures and unique features can effectively capture attention. The narrative of reclaimed materials can resonate with environmentally conscious consumers, tapping into a market that values sustainability alongside aesthetic appeal. Promoting these stories across social platforms creates dimensions beyond mere product descriptions, allowing customers to connect personally with the artisans and their craft. Strategies for driving interest can include offering custom options or collaborating with local interior designers, thereby expanding the reach and enhancing the product's visibility in contemporary decor spaces. Additionally, feedback and engagement from customers can guide future designs. As artisans communicate with their audience, they may learn what features consumers find most appealing, allowing for continuous improvement of their craftsmanship and understanding of market trends. Experimenting with different forms, finishes, and metal combinations can lead to an evolving product line that resonates with a broader audience while staying true to the core values of sustainable and functional design. Engaging with potential customers builds community. Consumers are often more compelled to purchase from artisans whose values align with their own and who are transparent about their processes. Designing marketable shoe racks from reclaimed wood and metal scraps encapsulates a celebration of nature and innovation. The journey from raw materials to well-crafted furniture serves as a powerful reminder of the beauty of sustainability. Combining the organic warmth of wood with the modern lines of metal to create unique pieces that harmonize with contemporary living spaces. This artistic endeavor accentuates the significance of craftsmanship while showcasing the potential for repurposed materials in creating high-value products. Through meticulous attention to detail in sourcing, preparing, and constructing each piece, artisans not only construct functional furniture, they also forge connections between people and their surroundings, history and innovation, nature and design. With the right marketing strategies and an emphasis on storytelling, these sustainably designed shoe racks can thrive in a contemporary market that celebrates the artistry of reimagined materials and the sustainable ethos that underpins their creation. Ultimately, every shoe rack stands as a testament to the beauty of transformation, inviting consumers to embrace a lifestyle that values originality, sustainability, and the stories that define the materials we choose to incorporate into our homes. Through artistry and commitment to the craft, artisans offer society much more than furniture. They contribute meaningful dialogue to a world increasingly driven by mindful consumption and a redefined appreciation for the beauty in reclaimed elements. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.